Are you tired of losing track of deals and missing follow-ups? Learn to manage your sales pipeline like a pro in Pipedrive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your pipeline, add deals, drag them through stages, and filter to stay on top of your sales. So let's jump right in. Start by opening up Pipedrive. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Deals in the left sidebar. That's your main home base for everything we're about to do. Give the pipeline board just a second to load, and there it is. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll see your pipeline stages laid out across the top. Most setups have stages like Contact Made, Demo Scheduled, Proposal Made, and Negotiation Started. Take a moment to scroll through them and get familiar with what's there. Find the stage labeled Qualified. That's usually the very first stage where a lead becomes a real opportunity. Now, look at any deals that are already sitting in the pipeline. This gives you a snapshot of where things stand right now. All right, let's add a new deal. Click the Plus Deal button. A window will pop up where you enter all the important details. Put in the deal title, set a value, and pick a person or organization. You can also set an expected close date and add a description if you need to. Here's a tip I've picked up from using this tool a lot. Always fill in the next activity field. That way, you never forget your next step. And one common pitfall, don't skip the currency setting if you're dealing with international clients. It's easy to overlook. When you're done, click Save. You'll see your new deal appear right in the pipeline board, in the stage you selected, probably Qualified. Now, here's the really satisfying part. And here's the thing. You can monitor the total value and deal count for each stage just by looking at the top of each column. So if you see a big number stuck in Negotiation Started, you know exactly where to focus your energy. Now, if you have a lot of deals and things start getting crowded, use the Filter button to narrow things down. You can filter by owner, by deal value, by status, or even by custom fields you've set up. It's a lifesaver when you're juggling dozens of opportunities. To get even more organized, use the Sort By dropdown and select Next Activity. This reorders all your deals based on what's coming up next on your calendar, so the deals with tasks due today pop right to the top. That way, you never miss a follow-up again. I'd recommend reviewing your pipeline performance regularly, maybe once a week or at the end of every day. Just glance at each stage. Are deals stuck? Are you moving them forward? The board makes it painfully obvious where the bottlenecks are. And finally, keep updating your deals as they move through the process. Drag, drop, edit details, add notes. The more you keep it current, the more accurate your forecasting becomes. So, to wrap it all up, you've gone from chasing scattered leads and missing follow-ups to having a clear visual pipeline where you can see every deal, drag it through every stage, and filter it down to exactly what matters. That's the power of using Pipedrive the right way. Go ahead, give it a try with your own deals, and watch how much smoother your sales process gets.